there you have it, homemade cough syrup. Remember to label it so you know what's in the jar. After 3 hours, it's ready to consume. After 24 hours will be even better. It will not be as solid as it is now. It will be more liquefied. All right, so it's been 24 hours since I chopped up the onions, added some honey. Now it's time to strain. Ooh, that's smelling strong. Just go back and watch. As I stated, it will be more liquefied. You can discard the onions, or I don't know, maybe add more honey and let it sit a little bit longer. I don't know, but I know this is what I was shown on a few videos that I've seen. Strain it out. Get a spoon here. Smell, y'all, it's really strong. It's really strong. But it's a natural cough syrup. In case I didn't say what I was doing, I thought I did. It's a natural cough syrup. Okay, the taste. Not bad. Just a hint of onion, but not a lot. So anyway, I'll continue to strain. And I just want to say thank you for watching.